Changing security settings on Bitget is essential for ensuring the safety of your account. Follow these steps to update your security preferences. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Bitget platform by entering your username and password. Make sure you're using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, locate the profile icon or settings menu, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it and select the security settings option from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication 2FA. In the security settings section, look for the option to enable two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to link your mobile device or authentication app, ensuring an extra layer of security for your account. Step 4. Update password. If you wish to change your password, find the password management section within security settings. Enter your current password, then create and confirm a new password that is strong and unique. Step 5. Review withdrawal whitelists. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Make sure to regularly review and update your security settings to keep your account safe.